When we talk to our customers today, the demands that the IT shops are being faced with are that they had to do more with less. We're seeing budgets cut, staffs cut, but we're seeing an increase in the number of applications that they have to support, and we're seeing a faster turn in the applications where they're introducing more applications to the lines of business. So they're being squeezed between having not enough resources but being asked to do more. My name is Bill Boyle, Director of Sales, Cisco Products for Dynamix. Cisco UCS. UCS stands for Unified Computing System. Unified Computing System is a collection of Intel servers and management software brought together to provide an integrated solution to help customers support their applications. Traditionally, when you acquired a server, it was only meant to do a certain thing for one application. Well, those days are long gone. We can't afford to do that anymore. The reason why UCS is such a popular solution is because it uses something called service profiles. And that's really the secret sauce. A service profile is what defines a server. All the different things that make a server unique are created and put in that service profile. And so you think about folks who have data centers with 10 to 50 or 100 computers. Traditionally, you would bring in that server and you would have to touch that server and by hand create that profile for what that server had to do. What Cisco has done with these service profiles is I can create that in my UCS manager, and when I plug in a new server into the blade center, into that chassis, I can automatically have it apply any number of different profiles that I've created. Everybody talks about business agility. The UCS helps folks, really, IT staffs, keep up with the needs of the business and makes the line of business more responsive. Instead of having to have 2 sets of cables, 2 sets of switches, adding expense, adding different places that I have to manage. In the UCS world, I consolidate that all down to one card that has different personalities assigned to it by software, so the UCS simplifies that whole implementation, and we're seeing that all the time as we install this solution. UCS can be thought of as the ultimate collaboration tool because of the way it brings together the different parts of the data center and allows different groups of people to work together, so I have a solution, an integrated solution that provides me a way to be more responsive to the lines of business, and I can do it with the same amount of resources I had previously. And what Cisco UCS does, it makes it very easy to deploy the servers and applications that allow us to aggregate these sources to a single location so that it can be shared among the different groups. So this ability to take data from multiple sources, manage it from a single interface, is very powerful in terms of collaboration because the new applications that take advantage of this new data, it has a centralized location to go to, and the UCS is the backbone for all of that. And it's just a huge benefit that I don't have to touch all these different pieces and configure all these different pieces and manage all these different pieces. From a UCS, I have a single management interface where I can do all this, and I just have less hardware behind the scenes to touch and manage and implement. So it saves space, saves time, saves money, and that's part of the real allure and attraction to the UCS.